Okay, so I fucked up. So it's 5:30 right now. I'm just finished making the box. It looks cute. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a DIY making gift for my friend. So if you don't know already, I have quit my 9 to 5 and it's been like a couple of months. So I'm on like a very tight budget. All my savings are gone. So I need to be very artsy, crafty, because I have like two important birthdays coming in. So I have like my friend's birthday on 24th, and on 25th I have my sister's birthday. So it's gonna be like back to back. The thing is, this year I'm trying to make gifts because I feel like it has a lot of more feeling and love and warmth than any expensive gifts. So I have something like this planned for my friend's birthday, and I'm gonna also like, so this is just gonna be the box in which all the gifts are gonna be there. Also, my friend, she reads a lot, so I thought like I'd make like a book page holder or something like this. I thought it's easy to make, so I was just thinking that I'll make it myself for her, and I hope she finds it useful and she likes it. And without further ado, let's see how it all pans out in the next few days. So what I've done here is I had this box white chart paper को ऐसा round cut करके इसके ऊपर चिपकाया है, and then यहाँ से small cuts लेके I'm gonna just stick it here so it kind of fits in a circle without any creases. And then same चीज़ यहाँ पर होगी. I'm gonna like stick it here and then छोटे छोटे pieces यहाँ पर भी cut करेंगे like this and like fold it inside. So you see, if I just fold it like this right now, अच्छे से fold नहीं होगा. That's why you need to like cut these lines. It fits properly like this. अब उसके ऊपर pink paper भी लगाऊंगी for frosting, but I hope it works out. See how perfect this looks. Now I have to put like the side strip here. Okay, so I fucked up. This is how it's looking. It's terrible. I tried to redeem myself over here, but yeah, it's terrible. I don't know which cake looks like this. Anyway, so this is how it's looking. It's terrible. So अभी दीदी आपको कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा तो इतना दिमाग नहीं चलता. This is how you're gonna get it, Khadija. I'm so sorry, but I don't think, I'd rather not give it to you if it's gonna look like this. यहाँ से तुमको काटना पड़ेगा. But this is so cute. सुबह के 5 बज गए and it's such a mess. Like my bed is such a mess. But finally ये बन गया. दीदी ने बहुत मेहनत से ये किया है because I would have ruined it. But she made it like really nice. Looks so good. So cute. But this is, and I tried to make like the candle. It doesn't look that great, but I'll decorate it and try to pull it off. कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैंने बड़ा फ्लेम बना दिया. आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट वाला हाथ. द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ. So cute. Does it look cute? Does it look like a cake?
Yes.
Looking so nice. I love it.
And then it turned out well.
It turned out great. And see, now if I put like candles.
It's so cute.
I know, right? It'll be so cute. I think confetti बना लेते इधर. Sprinklers बना लेते हैं.
For sure.
So it's 5:30 right now, and Deepa and I just finished making the box. It looks cute. It looks really cute because it's 5:30. What we can do is actually get ready and go to like Marine Drive because वहाँ पर Sunday morning को we just have like a fun Sunday morning every Sunday. So I was thinking we can do that, but my sister said that she's sleepy and she would rather sleep. I'm gonna convince her, try to, but देखते हैं if that's gonna work out. But if it doesn't, I'll be sad, but honestly I'm sleepy too. Okay guys, it is 23rd. रात के कुछ 10 बज रहे हैं. You can see this because I'm trying to make a book page holder for my friend जिसका बर्थडे कल है. Everything else is sorted, बस I'm too nervous because कल से D-Day है. My plan is to, okay, my sister's taking a shower, so I gotta be like a little low, but my plan is to wake up early tomorrow, make cake for my sister, like make the frosting and the ganache in the morning because I have a dinner party at night for my friend, and then I have to come back home jaldi, bake the cake, then make it all because मेरे को रात में 12 बजे केक काटना है because there's like a huge change in plans. My sister wants to like, so we're going out on a birthday, so breakfast वाला सीन नहीं कर सकती. तो रात में जो केक काटेंगे उसके लिए मुझे रात में केक बनाना है. तो I have to make the cake tomorrow, which is, I don't know how I'm gonna do it because my friend's birthday is also tomorrow, and my sister is not working. She's on a leave from work, so I cannot make it throughout the day क्योंकि वो देख लेगी, वो सब समझ जाएगी. So I have to like rush and do things, and I have not got her a gift yet because she's so indecisive. Oh my god, but I can't bitch about her because इसका birthday आ रहा है. Didi, if you're saying this, I love you, but I wish you would have told me क्या चाहिए तुमको birthday में पहले. Anyways, so if she doesn't decide which guitar she wants by tonight, कल मुझे जाके उसके लिए कुछ shopping करनी पड़ेगी.